The crystal clear waters of the forest river provide essential hydration for the mountain goat herd.
Move along now, easy. Straight ahead.
Have you logged the final weights?
Yes, they are all updated in the manifest.
Everything is optimal according to the gauge.
Yes, I've logged the data. Water quality is perfect.
Scan confirms ID 79er. Vitals look good. Clear this lane, please.
All vitals stable on the last 20 subjects.
Confirmed. Rerouting to pasture holding area 7.
Water pressure holding at optimal levels.
Confirmed. Microfiber rotation is nominal.
Check the pressure on the rinse cycle for Group C. Looks stable from here, but I'll monitor the flow rate.
Check the underbelly right here, B. Looks clean, we can move it along. This one looks good.
Yes, clear on the underside too. Send it through.
The pressure sensors show consistent hoof loading.
Yes, and the AI confirms it. Gait analysis is completely normal across the group.
The thermal signature is stable.
Agreed. Scan complete. Parameters are within tolerance.
The infrared scan on Bay 5 looks good.
Confirmed. Weight metrics are stable across the board.
We're showing optimal output from the main parlor. And the tank levels are increasing right on schedule. Come on now, right this way. Let's keep the line moving. Make sure this section is topped off. Got it, moving to the next one now.
The flow rate on Unit 7 is slightly low.
I just adjusted the feed pressure. We have an alert on line 3. Acknowledged. Running diagnostics.
everything is optimal on the cooling system.
The milk flow rate is exactly as projected.
Pressure levels are optimal across the board.
Confirmed. The flow rate is steady.
Easy now, move along to the right.
Check the flow rate on station 7.
The scan results confirm seal integrity is holding at 99.8%.
Excellent, the new calibration worked.
The throughput on line 3 is up by 10% this quarter.
The new calibration seems to be holding steady.
The tension is holding steady at 85%.
Looks good. The seal is perfect.
Looks good, solid alignment.
Okay, wrapping now.
We should route the next batch to the new staging area.
Yes, that will optimize the loading sequence.
Bay 4 is sealed and verified.
Confirmed. Let's move to the next one.
Here's your milk and enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
I got chocolate milk today.
Taste the soup, check the seasoning.
Perfect, chef.
Service, please. One cappuccino and a flat white.